Hey, welcome back to another video of how to use basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to download Umang application on a PC. First of all, make sure that you are connected to your internet. After that, open up your Microsoft Edge browser. Make sure that you are using Edge browser, otherwise it doesn't work on any other browsers. Now, at the address bar, type in umang.gov.in and click on enter. You will be directed to official homepage of Umang. Now, at the top right corner of your screen, you can see 3 dots. Click on it. You can also type Alt F on a keyboard and the same options will appear. Here, you can see Apps section. Hover your mouse to it and you can see Install this site as an app button. Click on it. Here, you can rename the application. After renaming, click on Install button. This will be your app. Now, you can pin this to the taskbar to restart or create a desktop shortcut for it. You can also enable auto start on device login. Simply check on these boxes here. After that, click on allow. So that is how you can download Umang application on your PC. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.